Today we're looking at this InCard. This is a wallet-sized tracker for Apple Find My and Android Find My device. So let's pop it open. Inside we have a little card, InCard Finder. There's the card. It's very nice and sturdy and very thin. So we'll just place it down. And there's nothing else in the box. Alright, so I guess we'll just get this paired. Now, there is no manual included. You do have to go to the website, so let's see if we can figure this out without the manual. I'm going to guess I just kind of... Yep, just like that, just push it. And, let's see, did it find my phone? My phone hasn't seen it yet. Oh, tapped it again. Okay, it found it. Alright, so we'll hit connect. Agree and continue. Okay, we'll just open the app. Okay, and I guess we can find nearby. Alright, it's right here. We'll play the sound. Oh, that's pleasant. That is one of the nicer jingles I've heard on one of these so far. And there's actually a little light, too. That's kind of nice. Alright, so we'll stop the sound. I'm going to chuck this into my bedroom and see if we can still hear it / find it. It's just a few meters away in my bedroom, and it still says device is very close. We hit play sound, and I can still hear it pretty good. If you want to switch to Apple, you would need to unpair the device. Down here, you'd click remove from Find My Hub. Remove. Remove. And now the device is unpaired. The only iOS device I own is an iPad, so let's try and pair with that. Add an item. Other supported item. And then we'll just... Okay, it found it. Press connect. And give it an emoji, I guess. Okay, I've never actually used this. Okay, agree. And same deal, we can hit play sound, and it rings just fine. Finally, one thing you should know, the battery is sealed inside. You cannot replace it. If the battery does die, you need to buy a new one. Now, they claim this will last for 5 years. I'm not sure of that claim. But it is a solid device, and will probably last for at least 1 or 2 years. And if you're looking to pick one up for yourself, I'll put a link in the description below where you can find one for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.